Hi friends, welcome to Solidworks with Dow. Today we'll be designing an end table 1. Looking at the notes, all dimensions are in inches. The material is 5/8 thick wood, birch. Now going to the top view, the top panel is 14 by 14 inch square. The same as well is for the bottom panel. Okay, looking at the front view, the left side panel here, okay, is 5 inches high by 13 and 3/8 of an inch wide. The middle shelf panel is 14 inches long by 13 and 3/8 of an inch wide. And then the right panel here, right side panel, is 13 and 1/8 of an inch high by 13 and 3/8 of an inch wide. Now moving to the right side view, the back panel, which sits in between the top panel and the bottom panel, is 18 and 3/4 of an inch high by 14 inches wide. Okay, so let's go and design this end table 1. File, new, part, okay. Save drawing as end table 1. I'm going to apply scene, plain white, systems option, document properties tab, units, IPS for inches, 3 decimal places for dimensioning, okay. Tools, sketch setting, automatic relations is turned on, okay. I'm going to start with the top plane, select top plane, sketch. I'm going to choose corner rectangle. I'm going to put the center of the rectangle, center rectangle, in the center of the origin, at the origin, okay. I'm going to press escape to cancel the corner, center rectangle. I'm going to select this line, make relations equal, okay. Smart dimension, 14 inches. And to verify, it should be 14 inches as well. Okay. Features, extruded boss base. Okay, from sketch plane, that's the top plane that we drew on. Direction 1. And the thickness of the material is 0.625, which is 5/8 of an inch. Okay, blind, the direction is going up, which we want. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to select this face, sketch a corner rectangle. This corner to that corner. Okay, press escape to cancel the command. Smart dimension, 0.625, 5/8 of an inch thick. Okay. All right, so features, extruded boss base. This is the back of the end table. I'm going to unselect merge result. I want separate solid bodies. Okay, from sketch plane, which is the face of the bottom here, the top face. Direction is 1, going up blind. Okay, the distance is 18.750, which is 18 and 3/4 of an inch. All right, zoom out. Okay. So we have 2 solid bodies now. 1, 2, okay. Now I'm going to select this face of the back panel, sketch. I'm going to draw about 4 rectangles. corner rectangles. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Smart dimension. Okay. 0.625. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna make all these rectangles equal to this one in terms of width. Okay, so I'm gonna select this line. Okay, drag the cursor from top left to bottom right to get that line right there. That's 1. I'm gonna hold shift now, select this one, that's 2, select this one, 3, and select the bottom one here, that's 4. And I'm gonna add relations equal. So then now they all 4 should be 5/8 of an inch. Okay, I'm gonna smart dimension, add some dimension from this line to that line. 13.125, 13 and 1/8 of an inch. Okay. I'm gonna verify the height of this. It should be 5 inches, and it is. So everything is right so far. Okay. There's this. Okay, this is blue, so I'm gonna select that, and I'm gonna hold shift and select this edge highlighted in orange. Click it, and I'm gonna make it relations, add relations. You can, okay, collinear. Now the drawing is fully defined, okay, as shown right here. All the lines are black. All right, features, extruded boss. Okay, unselect merge result. The distance, according to the drawing, is 13.375, 13 and 3/8 of an inch. Okay, from the sketch plane, which is the face of the panel, direction blind, direction is 1. Direction 1 is blind, okay, this way, which is correct. Select the contours. Okay, I'm going to select this panel first. Okay. Now I'm going to boss extrude 3. I'm going to get the same sketch. I'm going to click down that arrow. It's going to drop down. Select sketch 3, extruded boss base. Unselect merge result. The distance is the same, 13 and 3/8. The direction is the same, and it's from the blind, that face. Sketch plane. All right. And I'm going to select this contour and this contour. Same distance, okay. So I should have 5 bodies, and I do. Same sketch, square 3 again, extruded boss base. Now we've got one more panel, the top panel, to extrude. So unselect merge result. The distance, I'm going to leave direction 1 blind, the same, 13 and 3/8 from the sketch plane. Okay. But if you notice, since we're extruding from this face, we're still missing 5/8 the thickness of the material here. Okay? So we select direction 2, and we don't want it to be that long, obviously. 0.625, the thickness of the panel. All right, so now 13 and 3/8 plus 5/8 equals 14 inches. Okay, direction 1, direction 2, direction 1 is going this way, direction 2 is going that way. 5/8 of an inch, that's correct. Okay, so now we have 6 panels. All right, diametric view. Now we're going to apply some material to this. So I'm gonna select Extruded 1, highlight it, hold Shift, Extruded 5 boss, go over here, Appearances. I'm gonna go into the Organic folder. Okay. Organic, open it up. I'm just gonna select the Wood General folder here. As it opens up, it gives me this selection. I'm not gonna go into specifics in here. Okay, folders. I'm gonna select Polished Birch 2D. Double click that. All right. So I'm gonna turn on View Graphics. All right. So looking at it from the top view, 14 by 14 inch square, front view, okay, the right side view, and then lastly, the diametric view, okay. Okay, there we have it. We've designed the end table 1. I hope you like it. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.